So how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? A rectangular field had a length of 80 meters and a width of 50 meters. The field was recently enlarged with the length increasing by 15% and the width increasing by 10 meters. By what percentage was the area of the field increased? So we're looking at 1.15 multiplied by 1.2. So let's quickly do this. So that's 230. That's 115. Add this up. It's 0.8311.38. And the answer is C. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So let's imagine a rectangular field. Okay, so that's a rectangular field. All right, now the length is 80 meters. So this is 80 and the width is 50 meters. Okay, now what's happening is this. The field has been recently enlarged, right? So let me change the color here. So the length increased by 15%. So now we have like this additional, we don't know how much that is. It's just 15%. Okay. Now, the width has been increased by 10 meters. So we have the initial 50 meters plus another 10 meters, right? So therefore, our pool is going to be, field is going to be this new area. Now the question is, what percentage was the area of the field increased by? So this is what needs to be done. So if this is 10, right? So this is what needs to be done. You need to identify the 10 meters. What percentage increase is that? So simple, 10. Divide this by 50 by the original, right? So you get 1/5, multiply this by 100%, right? And you're gonna get 20%. So essentially, the width has been increased by 20%, while the length has been increased by 15%. So what does it mean? It means that the initial 80 meters or whatever, that was 100%. So therefore, the new one, the new length, the new complete length here is 115% or 1.15. That's important. Now the width. So the initial width here has been 100%, but it has been increased by 20%. So now it's 120% or 1.2. All you have to do is multiply 1.15 by 1.2 and you should be done. So let's go. So 1.15 multiplied by 1.2. So I'm just multiplying, right? So just long multiplication plus 115. How am I able to do this? I'm just kind of, in this specific situation, I'm just multiplying 115 by 2. I know that's 230. That's fast. And then when I'm multiplying 1 by 115, I'm just getting 115. So let's add this up. So we get 0.831. And we got 3 decimal places, right? Because remember, it's 1.15. 2 decimal places times 1.2, another decimal place. So 3 decimal places. So 1.38. 1.38 is equal to 138%. So therefore, the increase is 38%, which is C. That's it.